Hello and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner for professionally crafted legal and HR documentation. Resigning from a job is a major career step, and the way you communicate that decision matters. A well-written resignation letter can ensure a smooth transition, preserve valuable professional relationships, and close your current chapter with dignity and respect. At Filings Corner, we help you do exactly that. Why a professionally drafted resignation letter matters. A resignation letter is not just a formality, it's an official record of your departure, and it can influence how your employer remembers your exit, and even your future references. That's why at Filings Corner, we provide legally compliant, professionally worded, and personalized resignation letters aligned with corporate etiquette, contractual obligations, and your personal career goals. Whether you're resigning on good terms or under sensitive circumstances, we help you leave professionally and gracefully. Why choose Filings Corner? Here's why professionals trust Filings Corner. Our letters are expertly drafted by a team of CAs, CSs, lawyers, and MBAs, ensuring legal compliance and clarity. We customize every letter based on your unique situation. No templates, no guesswork. We maintain a clear, respectful, and professional tone, no matter the reason for leaving. We help you avoid legal risks and preserve your professional brand. And of course, we offer a quick turnaround and multiple revision options for your convenience. Types of resignation letters. We offer spoken smoothly. We understand that every resignation is different, and we offer customized drafting for all types of resignation scenarios, from a standard resignation letter for a formal and positive farewell, to immediate resignation letters when urgent situations arise. We also draft retirement resignation letters to mark a proud career milestone. Relocation-based resignations for those moving cities or countries, and health-related resignations handled with compassion and sensitivity. We can help with mutual separation letters when roles are restructured, and even professional exit letters for those leaving due to workplace environment challenges. And if you've accepted a role and now need to withdraw your job offer acceptance, we help you do that respectfully and professionally too. Whatever your situation, Filings Corner provides the right words, the right tone, and the right legal foundation. Our simple, efficient process. Here's how we work. Step 1 is a quick consultation where we understand your situation and preferences. Next, we draft your resignation letter, keeping it legally sound and professionally worded. Then, we review it with your input and make any refinements needed. And finally, we deliver a polished, ready-to-send resignation letter, complete with a respectful tone and clarity of intent. Call to action, calm, clear, and empowering close. Contact us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get your customized resignation letter drafted by experts. Filings Corner, helping you move forward respectfully and professionally.